Sorry, is that right? Okay, so there was this helicopter here, right? So what we have done last class, we animated this too. So same thing, I'm going to animate quickly. Set key and 25 frames. We want to rotate it. First, keep it 0. Set key and 25th frame, 360 degree. Set key. So it's going to animate like this. Now, even this also. Set key on 25 frames, 1 second I'm calculating. The 360 degree. Rotate it. So this also is sorry, it's not that one. Okay, I think this one. So 0, set key on 25th frames, it is 360 degree. Set key. So it's also animating. So remember, when you do these animations, directly we can go to graph editor. Graph editor. From where else you can take graph editor? You know, we can take from window, animation editor, graph editor also. Okay. Now this one I selected all curves, past infinity, cycle. So it is animating, but you see there is a problem. It's like stop, again stop, right? Slow in, slow out happens. Even for this also will happen same thing. So what you can do, you have to select this all curves. Then you need to click on linear tangent. Linear tangent. Now it will continue the same speed. So we do here also the same thing, graph editor, and we select all, click on linear, then curves, past infinity, cycle. Past means after, right? So after this keyframe will be continuing this one. So this is animating now. Fine. This all I selected, and I closed by mistake my augmented reality. How can I get back that? Window settings and preferences, plugin manager, augment. It is on now, right? Yeah, augment is on. Just load again. Okay. Now your webcam should be connected. Then click on this button from here. This is called view scene. Okay, view scene. View scene. So keep near to the marker. Okay. Then switch on this. So what are the animations we have? That will be working in camera now. Right. So when you rotate the papers, there's no problem. You can see all the portion. Even if I take the paper, need to snap them. Even this way. Right, so it should get correct focus in that. That's all. Okay, then if you move the camera, no problem. Okay, so even the object is moving from one place to other. A car is moving from one place to other, or any other movement for the objects, that also will be animating. So what are the other things we have to know after doing this one? If you want to send to somebody this animations like this or this augmented reality like this, you need to export this one, export all. The format is FDAE FBX export. DAE is a Collada format. DAE / FBX export. Okay, remember, export all to desktop. I'm giving a name now. 1. See the format ensure. export it. When you exporting like this, exporting only, it will be exporting with your texture and with your animations, everything. After this exporting, it will be on desktop. And you need to take your textures inside, okay? What are the textures you use? You need to keep inside. Then you see already I've exported this one. That exported file also keep inside. And from outside, you right click and do add to archive. Use any WinRAR. Then instead of RAR, use zip, WinZip. And remember this one, okay? Instead of RAR, zip. Okay. After this, if you press OK, you're gonna get a zip file like this. HeliZip. You're gonna get like this. Then we go to this website. Website is called Augmented. Augmented. Manager.augment.com. This one, this website. Okay. Just type in Google. Manager.augment.com. Go to that page, you have to, if you don't have an account, you need to make an account. Here is very easy. Create an account. After creating an account, you can add your model. You can see this zip file, add model. Then the zip file, you need to select it. And HeliZip, right? Yeah, open it. Already I done it, but I'm just showing you again. So it is uploading. After uploading this, you see, I want to keep an thumbnails over the something like this. You can create a thumbnails also. Now it is asking what is the centimeters, what is the measurement you need. Main purpose of this one, if you're making a helicopter, it's not a big deal to make centimeter or meter, but when you do in architectural modeling, if you're dealing with some interior design, model, chair, furnitures and all, you need to know the centimeter or inches, whatever you're using. Confirm your unit. And this is your object. 3 warnings are there. We'll check. Exported, general 3D. That's all fine. Yes. It's asking about you can, once you not able to close this, wait. No, that's a help button. What models? Get back here. Now you can see this is that scanning QR code which I can send to somebody. Okay, you see when I click over here, if you want, I can directly mail to somebody. Directly go to mail, then you can send it, or you can copy this link. Copy this link, then you can paste your email. For time being, I'm pasting here. You need to send this link only to somebody, and they will be getting directly this access. Okay, just play this one. See, and it's giving you an option to check how is the objects look. I can zoom it, can change the angle. While we fixing this helicopter, there was some small mistake. I remember, it is here. That mistake is visible there. Okay, this is the element what we have now, full screen. This we have uploaded. So this is the way we're going to send it. In this website, okay, this is one of the websites. There are many companies, they have their own platform like this. You can upload here element like this over here. And once you upload here this all element, you can send to somebody the link. Then they will be able to open it. And here, what I can do it, when I go to edit button, the name I can do, you can give a description. This I have made for an animation purpose. And what are the link? If you want to give any link, you can do. It is in which category? Is it architectural, art, automotive, whatever, or whatever? You choose it as per the subjects. And any tag, if you want, you can add it. Any thumbnails, for example, I click here. This is the same thumbnail. I'm gonna give it open. This template is there. Publish it. You can see here wireframe also. Okay. Wireframe mode. Camera, bottom view, left view, front view, rear view, shaded, wireframe off. Only the shaded is the. I think I've done the publish. Link is not valid. We don't need to give link. Yeah, model saved already. Fine. Let me close it. I go back. Now my thumbnail says uploaded here. So this way you can upload any kind of characters, objects, character animations and all from Maya. If you upload any character animations and all, the same animations. We were having some, there was some example in Maya which belongs to motion capture. So people are running and all. So that was, nowadays it's not the library is not directly not able to access that. So this you can add it. This is one topic. Now, instead of this one, now this is an animations we have done. Now, other thing in that videos, you remember I told you augmented in shopping mall. There was a presentations and all, right? Talking about these kind of things. You see here it is showing that water, right? Okay, it's real water. It is, they're feeling like real water. You see this characters comes over here. There is a waters and all, right? Similar, you see now here, okay. This they feel like in camera. Actually, really is not there. I showed you the video. So this is actually video is playing there. Okay, there is a video is playing. Okay, so this is actually for that you can take PNG images sequence and all, depends on the company how they are making this, depends on the program. It will have different aspect on it. Now, how to upload similar way? I want to play one video to my on my tracking. For that, I can go to ensure that to do a video, you should have .mov video, .mov video or .avi video. I just give you MOV video or AVI video. Okay, MP4 will not work. Okay, so mostly if you want a good quality, go for MOV, .mov. So I already a small video have taken from here. Okay, this is a small video. This one in Premiere I've exported. When you do exporting, export media, where you can see I choose from here QuickTime. You need to choose QuickTime. If this QuickTime is not there in Premiere, you need to install your QuickTime player. If you go to Google, you can download QuickTime player. QuickTime player. When you install QuickTime player, this will be available here. Okay, QuickTime. Then you need to choose from here. If the video is widescreen, that's why I'm using widescreen. Then export it. And similar way, I can give sound also. Sound means some files. When the camera is tracking to some point, some music have to play. Okay, or some dialogue have to say, etc., etc. So for that, I have exported an audio. Audio also. I have a small songs over here. And so it's a beat over there. Okay, for this one, okay, this beat, if I want to export it, file, export from here. In Premiere, if I'm doing, choose this wave format. Okay, if I'm doing in Adobe Audition, there is directly wave formats are there. I just showed you how to export there. Then here, what we're going to do, you need to click on video. When we're doing video, click on the video. So you get a window over here. In this window, you have to choose a video from here. Okay, see the file path. So click over here. You can see MOV files are the MPEG. MPEG is the AVI file. So there is no MPG. I have only MOV have downloaded. Sorry, I have exported from Premiere now. So I use that one. Okay. Aspect ratio is there, depends on the ratio. You can go to 16.9, default is fine. You know, this widescreen and all depends on that. You can change the aspect. Do you want to loop the video again? You can choose that. If there is any chroma key is the green screen removal is there, you can try chroma key also, but we'll discuss this one later. Now let me do create. You can see one plane has created automatic. Then let me go for link, view scene. I'm tracking to my camera, my webcam, I'm going to tracking to here. Now you see there is a video playing now. It should track, that's all. This is slow motion video, okay. Fine. So now there is a video is tracked. This is what exactly doing in that ground, on the mall ground. You can see there was some kind of water, or water is there, or whatever. That kind of a video, how can we import? This way we can import it. Similar way we can export. We can import an MP3, sorry, wave sound. You can go to file path. Let me close this one first. Then click on this. Then from here, file path, click here. Audio, have a wave format is there. When you go here, you can understand wave is only possible. Open. Okay. Now click on create. Again, you can see some proxies objects is created. Just why this proxy is there, then it is selected that. Okay. You need to select that again. Keep your camera. You can see the music is started to play. You cannot hear that. The audio was less. Now we'll try again. Already be done. Just to view scene only. Out. Okay. Out. Okay, so we understood how can we insert a video on tracker? How can we insert an audio on tracker? How can we insert an animation character or without animation and objects from 3D or Maya? How can we import to augmented reality idea? So just imagine this idea. This I'm doing on my table with a small marker. Okay. The same idea can be implemented with big cameras and big event, and the marker can be bigger, camera quality can be increased, and the result can be good. And even this kind of quality of the video and quality of the 3D can be increase the quality. And this is the idea it is using in the industry. And different company have their own programs, their own softwares, and they use it as per the requirement of the client. Okay, they will be making that, but the basic of the augmented reality idea is this. But remember this website, through this website we can send the concept to somebody else. Moreover, you can download an application, mobile application, Augmented, AUGMENTED app for iPhone and Android, both you will be getting. When you're downloading, you will be getting this kind of an icon, and download this one, Reality App Store. Download this one. Then in that you have available many elements like this. Okay, that element can be also tracked to somewhere that I will show you after. Okay, so just check this option.